In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track KPIs in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use KPI setup inside your workspace and know exactly where to customize it for your team's needs. First, open your ClickUp account and sign in. Once you're in, decide which part of your workspace will hold your KPIs. Hover your mouse over the specific space where you want to keep them. A space in ClickUp is a top-level area that usually represents a department, a project portfolio, or a major initiative. Choosing the right space helps keep your KPIs visible to the right people and organized alongside related work. Next, look for the plus icon in that space. This is your shortcut to adding new items. Click the plus icon to begin. You'll see options for creating new things, and what you want here is to leverage something pre-built so you don't have to design everything from scratch. Select the template option. When the templates window opens, use the search bar and type KPI. This will filter results so you can quickly find a KPI template designed for tracking key performance indicators. Click on the KPI option to open its details. Take a moment to glance at what's included. Templates typically come with standardized fields, statuses, and views that are tailored for performance tracking, so you get a strong starting structure. When you're ready, click Use Template. ClickUp will add the KPI setup into the space you chose. Depending on your workspace, this may create a list or folder with pre-built custom fields and views intended for measuring targets, owners, dates, and progress. This saves time and helps your team stay consistent. Now you're set to explore and customize. Open the newly added KPI area and review the fields and views provided. Make the template your own by aligning the names and metrics with your business goals. Adjust labels to match how your team talks about success and ensure each KPI is clear, measurable, and owned by someone accountable. If there are example items, replace them with your real metrics. Think about how often you'll review performance and set clear targets that are time-bound. Consider color coding or simple naming conventions so stakeholders can quickly scan and understand performance at a glance. That's it. You've opened your ClickUp account, chosen the right space, added a KPI template through the plus icon, searched and selected the KPI template, used it, and begun customizing it to fit your workflow. With this foundation in place, you'll be able to keep your KPIs organized, visible, and actionable inside ClickUp.